We're at the church this morning, or this afternoon, and we're going to grind some of these stumps. There's 6 here. I'm going to choose not to cut them down. I think they're down low enough. I think I can get them. And now we're going to, there's another one. They're fairly good sized trees. It'll take me a while. Try to get them done today. That one's a big one. That's a big one. So there's 6 of them. And we're going to get them done. Probably take me 20-30 minutes per stump, so I'll be here for a bit. Don't know if the wife realizes how long I'm going to be, but anyway, we are what we are. Anyway, we're going to get them done. I'm going to try to do them with the old teeth on the stump grinder. Hopefully they will do the trick. I know there's some chunks out of them, so let's give her a try. Well, hello. It's getting a little late in the season to grind some stumps, I know, but it is what it is. We cut these trees earlier in the fall here. There were 6 good-sized pine trees that we had cut. We did a video on hauling the brush away, but at the time the tractor was out of commission and was at the dealer, and I wasn't able to come up and grind the stumps. So I did receive the tractor, and I had a chance to come up. This is a Saturday morning, December 2nd, and I thought I'd get these out of the way. This will be nice. I plow this driveway for this local church. It's my church, and I'm glad I'm able to get these stumps out of there and not have to worry about hitting them with the plow. So I'm glad about that. These stumps are grinding fairly easy, even though my teeth are not in the best of shape. As you recall in the last video, I hit a rebar, a property marker, and it toasted a good number of my brand new bits that I put on it. I had 24 brand new ones on, and a lot of them do not have carbide on them anymore. And that's just the price of doing business, unfortunately. 24 bits here cost me almost $500. You can see the stump grinder jumping around a lot there. I have a lot of play in my 3-point hitch from side to side, and I think if I could solid that up, it would certainly make it a lot better. I've tried to tighten it up as best I can, and there doesn't seem to have any way to do that on these arms. I'm going to try maybe a ratchet strap on the next job and see if that helps. Another thing with the 3-point hitch is there's no downward pressure, it's all gravity, and there's nothing stopping it from going up because it's kind of a free float attachment. I would certainly like to try to rig this unit up on the mini excavator, and I think that is going to be a project through the winter, and have that ready for the excavator for the spring. I think it would be much easier to see, and I think I can control it much better. I'm going to try to rig it up and run it by hydraulic, but I want to have the option if I want to put it on the tractor that I can. So that's my plan, and we'll see if I can get it built through the winter. And I'm glad to get these stumps ground before plow season. They won't be in the way, and they won't have worry about hitting them. The last few years I plowed this church, I had to kind of go around the trees and under the trees, so it'll be nice to be able to plow and not have to worry about the trees. I believe it's going to speed things up. Now just in the area in front of the tractor, the winter's gone past. Because of the shading of the trees and stuff, the ground would freeze there, and there was always ice. So I'm hoping because the trees are gone that ice won't build up there. So just a safety for the people that go to this church. There's a lot of older people, and we wouldn't want to see them fall. All right, we're going to put some speed up the video here so you can watch through, and we'll add a little music and just enjoy the motion of the stump grinder chewing up some stumps.
Good afternoon, everybody.
just finished grinding 6 stumps. It took me an hour and 41 minutes. That was with a visit with some people that stopped in. Other than that, they ground pretty good. They were all in the 20 to 24 inch range. So 6 stumps, an hour and 40 minutes. That's not bad. All right, let's go home and see Mama. Thanks everyone for joining in. This is probably the last stump job for the year. It's December 2nd today. I do have another customer. I'm going to call her and we'll play it by ear. It all depends if it's snowy or what the weather is next Friday. That's the best I can do. All right, thanks for joining. Until the next adventure, get out there and enjoy yourselves.